Hello friends, today I will tell you how to draw the output waveform of the NAND gate when all the inputs are given in waveform form. You can see A, B, C all are in waveform form. So now we will start doing this, drawing this circuit, output timing diagram of the NAND gate when all three inputs are in waveform form. So the best way is to do first write the truth table beside the circuit. So here I have written the truth table. Now you can see in truth table when all the inputs are 0 you will get 1, and you can see in all the places you are getting 1 only this place you are getting 0. Okay, so when all the inputs are 1 1 only then you will get 0. So what you can say, if any one of the input is 0 you will get 1 output. So in my other video, in my previous videos, I have tell how to do this kind of circuit, but here I am doing it with different approach. So what we will do, we will try to find all 1 1 1 positions. So here you can see C is 1, B is 0, so don't take this position value. Here C is 1 because here C is 0, so we will go to next C value. C is 1, C is 1, B is 1, and A is 1. So at this point just start drawing the output timing diagram of X. So make it 1. Okay, similar way, C here is C is 1, B is 1, and A is 1. Okay, so here you draw it like this. Okay, this is the 0 value. Okay, we will go up, and next value. Here you can see C is 1 but B is 0, so don't take this one. Here C is 1, B is 0, so don't. Here C is 1 and B is 1 and A is 1. Okay, so we can take this position also like this. Now C is 0, here C is 1, B is 1 and A is 1. So for this one is also you can take. I am drawing the 0 1 0. Okay, here C is 1 but B is 0. So this is 0 position, so rest of the places it will be X will be 1 like this. X will be 1. So this is your X output. Now in the simple approach, another approach, this is the approach number 1. Okay, now I will do it 2 for 2. Both are quite similar but it is more easy. But here you can see at the first position you can see this is 1, this is 0, and this is 1. Okay guys, so 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1, this position you can see this one, so you are getting output 1. Okay, so the output will be 1. Okay, at this it is 1 0 1 again, so output will be 1. At this position 1 1 but C is 0, so it will remain, because one of the input is 0, so it will remain 1. Here you can see 1 1 1, so it will goes 0, because for 1 1 1 it should be 0. Okay, now next position 1 1 but C is 0, so it will again become 1, and C is 0 till this value. Okay, so you can make it 1 till this value. Again here C become 1, B is 1 and A is 1, so it will again goes to 0. Now here C is 0, C is 0, so it will be 1. Just take any one of the input. You can start with A. I have started with C because C is having 1 1 1 and 0 in random ways, so that's why I have taken okay, single for single pulse. So here you can see here C is 1 and B is 0, so it will remain 1, and it will remain 1 till B is 0. Okay, so till this value B is 0. Now C is 0, so we will make it again 1. Here all the inputs are 1, so it will goes to 0. Okay, again C is 0 till this value, so it will again become 1 and it will remain 1 till this value. Again here you can see all the inputs are 1, so it will again goes to 0. Okay. And next again C is 0, so remain 1 till the value C is 0. Here we can see B is become 0, so it will remain 1. Okay, so by both approach I have done this. I hope you got the explanation. So please like and subscribe my channel, and please subscribe my channel by using your Gmail ID, because by using your university ID I'm not getting any subscriber, and that will not support my channel. Please subscribe by using your Gmail and other ID. Don't subscribe by using your university's ID. Thank you.